Hello beauties, welcome again to When the Styles. Short natural hairstyles are really a must try, for any black woman with natural hair. One thing about short hairstyles is that it balances your feminine looks, embodying those androgyny well, and is a kind of style that will make you look sassy. Is a kind of style that will make you look cute, because this hairstyles you can see all you need is just a longer hair on top and shorter at the back and side. And one thing with the style is that it's a haircut that will take many years of your age. If you're really looking for those haircuts that will make you look younger, those youthful short haircut, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end, because these are some beautiful short haircuts for beautiful black women. And one thing with the styles is that they are haircuts that will make you look unique and make you stand out of the crowd. So I would like you guys to check out this easy to maintain haircut. No matter your hair type, whether you have the thick hair or you have the thin hair, you can choose any of the hairstyle we have. For those that love colors, like the matured color, which most matured women use, like the brown color, like the blonde color, like the earth blonde, or your natural color 33 or 34, they can really save you those time styling your strands daily and make it look gorgeous and always make it look unique and matured. These are beautiful haircut. Please don't forget to always use the best moisturizers to always massage your hair and to stimulate your scalp, that will always promote those healthy growth. And this kind of hairstyles, is a hairstyle that is super versatile, and is a hairstyle that will make you look good. So don't forget to always use some beautiful cool water-based leave-in conditioner and oils, such as the avocado or the castor oil or even the olive oils. Who says you can do much with the shorter hair? I just want you guys to prove them wrong. When you try one of those beautiful haircuts today on your screen, you're not going to regret trying the cut I have for you. Just look your best for this beautiful short haircut and let me know your mind in the comment section below, because definitely they're going to look flattering, and you're going to look impeccable. God bless you guys. Please stay look to When the Styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way. Bye for now.
No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through. Drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more. Drop it at my feet. Oh, I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I am the Lord, I'm merciful. Hey. I am the Lord, I'm not a man. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you cry. Hey. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Bring it on to my feet. Nothing is so hard for me to do again. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, drop it at my feet. Oh, bring it on. Ayana. Why? Usukariari eleno kuka. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Hey. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. I saw you cry at night when no one was watching. And now, I saw you tears when no one was watching. I will wipe your tears. I'm the God of all flesh. Oh, no, no. Oh, oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, Kanya Nabakubaraba. I am the Lord, I heard your cry. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctor said to you. Drop it at
I'm sorry,
my
this
feet.
has to be addressed. How did this become this? Become this? Become this? Huh?
My yoke is light. My burden is light. Ayadala mono kosheta lebrango shatanaba. Oh, yeah, 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 yo. Oh, my God and my Father. Bless your people. Take away their pains. Ayanabana yokosheta yanaba. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Nana. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame, I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh.